I just came aware of this, and it's pretty horrific. This happened in the 90s, and I was around in the 90s, but I never heard of this. Did you? It's called the Sarajevo Safari, and it was intended for war tourists. And if you want to know what a war tourist is, just hold on. Right now, Italian prosecutors have opened a criminal investigation into allegations that wealthy foreigners, including Italians, paid large sums of money during the Bosnian War to shoot civilians in Sarajevo, a practice dubbed the Sarajevo Safari. See, I told you, pretty horrific. Sounds awfully familiar to that movie Hostel.